Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this November the 18th, 2025. Hoping everybody had a great Tuesday out there so far, but it's a great Tuesday evening. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well, and also enjoy the weather. Cut you on the weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the tropics in the lower 48 as well. As you can see across the board here, we do have a little tropical system here trying to get blowed up out here in the central tropical Atlantic. Right now, National Hurricane Center has nothing on it. Energy has kind of flared up in that area and bringing some deep convection along a frontal boundary. Tropical systems do sometime occur in the area here. I would not be surprised. It could be a tropical system as it continue to pull away. But right now I don't see anything, but something to keep an eye on from the National Hurricane Center. Needs to monitor that as well. Scattered activity down in the MDR region up toward the Leeward Island. Scattered activity is north of Puerto Rico. More scattered activity over South America. A little bit in Central America. The Caribbean is quiet. The Gulf is quiet. Much of the Western Atlantic is quiet as well. You can see some subtropical moisture moving in to portion of the Baja region of California, Mexico, and streaming into the Four Corners region from around Texas to New Mexico to Arizona, all the way over toward Utah, Nevada, you're included, Southern California, stretching up toward Wyoming, and then another little system up here around Washington, Oregon State, stretching in Idaho, and also portions of Montana. We got another system here moving across the Mid-Atlantic and also portion of the Ohio Valley. That will continue to exit stage east, bringing some showers and storms to you guys as it continues to move in that direction. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue getting the show on the road here, folks. And thank you for tuning in to the Mike Bass Weather Forecast channel. Alright, here's a look at your Wednesday forecast. You can see we got some shower activity up here in southeast Canada, stretching toward Lake Huron to Michigan to Wisconsin to areas of Iowa, Nebraska to Illinois to Ohio to West Virginia, portion of DC, Delaware to Pennsylvania to New York State, stretching into southeast Canada around Ottawa and Toronto, Canada. We got more shower activity for portions of southern Arizona to southern California, Atlantic coast, and the Pacific coastal waters, also California, and right along the Oregon and the Washington, California coast. From Washington to California, some shower activity along the coastal areas. Alright, we got thunderstorms and showers reaching from northern Mexico to New Mexico to Arizona to Kansas to Missouri to Ohio, western portion of West Virginia, a little bit along the mountains of western North Carolina through Tennessee to Alabama to Louisiana to Texas and the northwestern Gulf. Got some heavy rain and flash flooding from portions of central Texas to Arkansas to southern Missouri, eastern Oklahoma. We got mixed precipitation up here in northern Michigan, Wisconsin, and Minnesota, and also for Lake Superior in South Canada. Same again over here, portion of Wyoming to Colorado to New Mexico to Arizona, Utah, Nevada to California to Oregon, and northern California, a little bit in western Washington State as well. And we have a little bit of snow in portions of Colorado and also over in areas of California mountain chain as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Wednesday. Alright, let's move on to your Thursday outlook now, and let's see how this thing going to shake out for your Thursday. And it should look something like this here. Alright, we're going to go ahead and start off while it finishes filling in. You can see some flash flooding and heavy rain once again from Texas to Arkansas to Missouri. More mixed precipitation up here around Lake Superior. Also in the portions of Wisconsin and Minnesota, also southeast Canada, shower activity there as well. Pretty much West Virginia back to Ohio and Nebraska, and also along the coastal areas of Washington, Oregon State, California to Arizona. It looked like the same map, but it should be different because I just showed Wednesday and now it moved to Thursday. But mixed precipitation over here to Oregon to California to Colorado. Also over around Lake Superior, Lake Huron region as well. And you can see dry conditions along the Virginia, Carolina, Florida, portion of Alabama, and also the northern U.S. from Minnesota to Washington, Oregon State. Some dry conditions expected, so expect high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Thursday. Alright, let's move on to the current watch and warning advisory map. There shouldn't be too much to talk about on it, but we'll show you anyway what's going on. You can see we got some special weather statement for a portion of Ohio. Some severe thunderstorm watches and warnings up here in southeast Missouri, portions of Kentucky and Tennessee. Dense fog advisories down here from areas of Alabama, portions of Florida Panhandle, over towards southern Mississippi and portions of Louisiana. Flood watches in portions of central Texas. Again, over here in portions of New Mexico, Arizona, southern Nevada, and also California. We've got some dense fog advisories there as well. Even winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings for southern California and southern Nevada. And some winter weather advisories for Utah region as well. Alright, we got a little bit of small craft advisories up here along the Maine coast from southern California to Washington State. Also got winter weather advisory for the southern Hawaii and Chain Islands. Severe winter storm warnings and winter weather advisory for western Alaska and central southern Alaska. Some small craft advisory and storm warnings there for you guys along the coastal areas. Alright, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook. This is severe weather for your day 2. From Lubbock to Midlands to Dallas to Abilene to just east of Fort Stockton. Just general thunderstorm from Brownsville, Texas to Springfield, Missouri, stretching over toward Las Vegas, Nevada, Phoenix, Arizona. Tornado probability looks like this. Less than 2% all areas. Damaging winds 5% less for all areas. Less than 5%. Large hail looks to be the main concern for that severe weather with Texas and portion of Oklahoma. Alright, let's take a look at day number 3. We just have some general thunderstorms expected. We cannot rule out a severe thunderstorm. Marginal risk could be added later forecast for Brownsville to El Paso to Albuquerque, far east is Bowling Green, Nashville, Jackson, Memphis, Greenville, Mississippi, and up toward Evansville, Indiana. Alright, Climate Prediction Center, we're going to go 3 months out, and this is the way it's going to look for temperatures and precipitation wise over the next 3 months. That's for the remainder of this month, December, and January. Okay, this position on October 16th, but this is still in effect for right now. You can see it goes through January 2025 to 2026. Looking like we're going to be above normal temperature from Maine to Florida to Texas all the way to Washington, Oregon State. Equal chances of above or below normal temperature for northern Michigan, stretching over toward Washington State. Alaska looks like it's going to be above normal in the northwest. Equal chances elsewhere. Precipitation, Alaska looks to be equal chances eastern, central and east. Westbound, slightly above normal precipitation. For the lower 48, from California to Washington State to Michigan, slightly to above normal precipitation. Equal chances for central and southern California to the middle of the country to from portion of North Texas into the central U.S. all the way over to portions of the northeast U.S. Equal chances of being normal to above normal precipitation. Then we got below normal precipitation expected for Arizona, Texas, the Carolinas, Virginia, Florida, you included. South Florida looks like equal chances of above, below, or equal chances of precipitation either direction. So, alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like the video, share the video. We'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Tuesday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got.